Welcome to our channel. Downloading your Robinhood tax documents is essential for filing your taxes accurately when you've traded stocks or crypto. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood account through the mobile app or by visiting the Robinhood website on a computer browser. Step 2. Navigate to the account icon in the bottom right corner and tap on it to access your account settings and menu options. Step 3. Select Tax Documents or Tax Center from the menu, which is where Robinhood stores all your tax-related forms. Step 4. Locate your 1099 form, which Robinhood typically makes available by mid-February for the previous tax year. Step 5. Click on the document you need, such as 1099B for stocks or 1099M ISC for other income, to view it. Step 6. Download the PDF version of your tax document by clicking the download button to save it to your device. Step 7. Review the document carefully to ensure all trading activity and income is accurately reflected before using it for tax preparation. Step 8. Save the downloaded document in a secure location and consider consulting a tax professional if you have questions about reporting your trading activity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.